In this video, we're going to look at an example of solving a multi-step algebra equation. In this example, I'm going to have numbers and letters on both sides of the equals sign. So let's take 3x minus 3 equals 6x plus 9. So as you see here, we have both variables and numbers on both sides of the equals sign. And we want to have all the letters on one side and all the numbers on the other side. And we're going to start by moving all the variables to the same side. Now it's easier to move the smaller variable, so to move the 3x over to the other side, because that way you're going to end up with a positive number as a result, and it's easier to work with positive instead of negative numbers. So we want to move the 3x. So we want to move the 3x, and in order to cancel the positive 3x on this side and move it to the other side, we're going to do the opposite operation and subtract. So we have 3x minus 3x minus 3, and these 3x's are going to cancel, so we just have the minus 3 left. But whatever we do to one side, we also have to do to the other side. So on the other side, we have 6x minus 3x plus 9. So that's going to give us minus 3 equals 6x minus 3x is 3x plus 9. So now that we have all the letters on one side, the x is only on the right side here, we need to move all the numbers to the other side. And in order to get rid of the positive 9 on the right side, we're just going to do the opposite operation and subtract 9. So we have 3x plus 9 minus 9, and these 9's will cancel out. But whatever we do to one side, we also have to do to the other side. So on the other side, we have minus 3 minus 9. So that's going to give us minus 12 is equal to 3x. So we're almost done, but something just doesn't look right here. If you remember, we prefer to have our answer stated as x equals, so the x is on the wrong side. So what are we going to do about that? Well, if you think about it, this is an equation. It means both sides of the equation are equal, so we can just flip it, because if negative 12 is equal to 3x, then 3x is also equal to negative 12. Now let's finish it off. To get rid of 3 times x, so we have just the x on the left side, we're going to divide. So 3x divided by 3, the 3's cancel out. Negative 12 divided by 3 is going to be equal to negative 4. The solution is x is equal to negative 4. Now we could actually check this to make sure that it's right by substituting our solution, negative 4, for x into the original equation. So let's try that. We have 3x, so x is negative 4, minus 3 is equal to 6, and x is negative 4 plus 9. So 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 minus 3 is equal to 6 times negative 4 is negative 24 plus 9. Negative 12 minus 3 is minus 15, and negative 24 plus 9 is minus 15. So the two sides are balanced and equal. Negative 4 is the solution for x.